Binokoth kawadhi nyime eni Jokanyo mopogore kotenegi kod doho mar aluora ma Nyamira olimo tong kaunti ma Nyamira gi Kisii matulo osebede mar temo yudo kendo keto kwe kanyakla kod keto ranyisi mag kiewo e kind counties go. Apisa go mawuok e National Lands Commission IBC kod mano mar doho mar aluora ne olimo keroka komigi arita motegno. Jatis Kamau Mugo mar doho mar aluora nowacho ni kanyakla gidhi ndiko lipot ewi kiewo mosekelo pogruok kapok doho ochiwo ng'eto mare mogik.
That directed the surveyors and the land registrars together with the IBC as well as National Land Commission to come and point out where the boundary between the two counties is. And that sorts out the problem. As soon as we know where the boundary is, then each of the two counties will collect revenue on their side. And this is a boundary that was marked long time ago. It has been there. I don't know why there is a dispute now.
Otherwise, as a commission, as I said, we were enjoined by the petitioner and we were summoned by the court, and we made it clear to the court that the commission is an impartial commission, and this exercise also helps the commission in its mandate, because the commission also has a mandate in oversight on matters of planning.
Let every person take home his own tomatoes. What I mean by that, anything by the name of Nyaribari in Bumobia scheme should land in Kisii. And anything in the Muamangana scheme in Kitutu should go to Kitutu. And we only respect the political boundaries that are there, that have been given by IBC, because the IBC boundaries are clear. And the boundary is on the yellow line. The maps are there. You cannot come to use foreign maps here and then you are just telling us that those are the boundaries.